European missile manufacturer MBDA has put forward an offer to co-develop advanced short-range air-to-air missile with India. The co-development potentially focus on further enhancing missile capabilities to meet specific Indian Air Force requirements or to align with the evolving technological landscape of air combat. Turkey's defense company ASELSAN has tested its GÖKBERK mobile laser system, successfully destroying various types of drones including FPV models. The test showed laser system destroying small quadcopter-type drones from 1,500 meters and fixed-wing drones from 1,200 meters. Tajikistan publicly displayed its newly acquired HQ-17AE air defense system for the first time during military parade. The event showcased 4 combat vehicles and 2 transporter loader vehicles, underscoring the growing military cooperation between Tajikistan and China. One of Ukrainian company has created rapidly deployable mock-up of Strela 10 air defense missile system. The model consists of metal frame covered with a printed cloth mimicking the real system.